we have a solve using the quadratic formula. So you sing the stupid song, goes x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then you pick out a, you pick out b, and you pick out c. And you just do that. And then you plug in. Opposite of a positive 3 is a negative 3, plus or minus 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 4, all sitting pretty over twice a 1. So we have negative 3 plus or minus square root. This is going to be an imaginary number. This is 9 minus 16. Do the math. Go push the buttons if you have to. Push buttons. If you can't do that in your head, shame on you in the first place. But anyways, push the buttons. 9 minus 16 is negative 7. Both pieces over a 2. So I have negative 3 halves plus or minus, and this is imaginary, the imaginary root of a positive 7 over 2. Ta-da! Vandalist throws paint balloons at cars during rush hour in downtown Memphis. That would be a balloon full of paint. The balloons are thrown with an initial acceleration of 48 feet per second from initial height of 6 feet. Using the form height as a function of time is negative 16 plus v0, where v0 is acceleration and h0 is initial height. Write an equation modeling this act of vandalism. So height as a function of time is negative 16t squared plus the initial acceleration of 48. Let me make these t's capital so they don't look like plus signs. Plus the initial height of 6. Ta-da! Will the balloon reach a height of 40 feet? Will it reach a height of 40 feet? So we're going to put a 40 in there. I think it will. And we're going to one side that. And now we're going to think if b squared minus 4ac dot dot dot, all right, equals 0, 1 real solution. B squared minus 4ac greater than 0, 2 real solutions. B squared minus 4ac less than 0, no real solutions. That's all we're going to do. So A is negative 16, B is 48, C is negative 34. So if I plug into b squared minus 4ac, I'd have 48 squared minus 4 times negative 16 times a negative 34. See what she is. $128. So we have 2 real. When you answer the question yes, yes, it reaches 40 feet. Yes. All right, assuming the paint balloon hits a lifted truck's fender, it's about 4 feet off the ground. Doesn't say where on the fender. Probably should be 6. How many seconds will it take after the vandal releases the balloon to hit the truck? So we can say 4 equals, because the height is 4. Negative 16t squared plus 48t plus 6. I'm going to do this the easiest way possible. I'm going to do y1 and I'm going to do y2. I don't feel like messing with the quadratic formula. I ain't got time for her. Not this morning. I got places to be. So I typed in y1, y2. I'm going to do a zoom 6. Whoops. Zoom 6. There's my y equals 4. There is a crazy answer that happens before time even exists. It's right there. Second trace 5. Take my little cursor. I get close. I press enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it looks like the time is about 3.04 seconds. Number 10. What values of b will cause 4x squared plus bx plus 12 equals 0 to have one real solution? I wrote that up there. Remember me writing all this stuff right here? You should probably write this down. I don't know if you did or not, but you should probably write it down because you need to know it. So if b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, there is one real solution. Now this one, it says it's going to be easier on test because this thing's probably hideous. I don't know. But looking at my equation, a is 4, B is B, and C is 12. I'm just going to plug some crap in. B squared minus 4 times A, which is 4 times 12, must be a 0. 4 times 4 is 16 times 12. Oh, is it 176? No. It's 192. No, it's not. It is 192. Okay, so B squared minus 192 is 0. This is why I said it's easier on the test. We shift right, counteract squaring by square rooting, and it took a 16 and a 12 to make that 192. And there's a better pair of factors for this. It should be 30. Boy, I'm really out of it. Or square root of 64 times 3. You got here either way. But I like 64 times 3. Plus or minus 8 root 3 is my answer. Either one of them. 11. Determine the number of real solutions to the following systems. You literally look at graphs. That's all you do. You look at the graphs. Like if you can't do this problem, it means you can't push buttons. All right, so there's A. Whoops, couldn't see me type, sorry. I typed in A, zoom 6. 0 solutions. There's no real solutions. I'm doing B. Ah, 2 real solutions. Now I'm doing C. Y'all gonna miss this and you're gonna say, math is so hard. It's Milbrath's fault. I don't understand. No. You're just special. It's not me. You just don't know how to push buttons on T84 because you don't care how to push buttons. I don't even see the other graph. You know why I don't see the other graph? Because it's down here somewhere. Let's look down about negative 30 units. There's the parabola. There are also no solutions. I need to stop there because I need to go find a substitute for today and get stuff ready for said substitute. Anyways, I'll see y'all Tuesday.